We'll we'll download Python, then we'll start installing the Python. So then we'll try to run some basic commands. So first you can type Python download in the Chrome. So we'll get a first record that is from Python official website python.org. So click on download Python. So it will provide the download latest version from Windows. The current version is the 3.13.1 is showing. So if you want active Python releases, you can also see, and also specific releases if you want. We will also provide all the releases. You can also check it here. So just go and download the latest version. So start downloading. It's downloaded. So once the download is completed, the version just see that it is downloaded successfully, and just go to the path where it is downloaded. So it is the one. So we'll double click this software, the Python AMD 64 version. So it will open the setup widget. So it is showing install Python version and the 64-bit. Select, there are two options are provided: install now and customize installation. So we can try. So once you it is installation is done, so we have to give explicitly the path to the exe path to the path of system path. So better we can add this shortcut. It will create a automatically add the Python exe to path. So then we can go customize installation and installation, this one. So which one? So we can click customize installation and see. So documentation, pip, tcrtk, python test suite, pylauncher. Let's say not require those. So all user are not required, I think. Yeah. So these are the options are available for the customization option. So I think the basic, the one whatever it is provided, that is sufficient. So we'll try to install it. See uses this path. So we'll try to install it. So I'm clicking on install. This is start setup progress in progress. So Python is installing in this machine. So it will be completed. Yeah. Setup was successful. So it is showing there's few options. That is fine. That is successfully installed. So we can close simply. Then, so how do you know that whether it is installed or not? Just click on this and go to all and see where is Python. So go and navigate where is Python is installed. So yeah. So Python version is there here. Python 3.13. Select this. So we have ideally Python and Python manuals and Python module docs. So there are three options are given. But basically just open this Python and see so what this is. So yeah, so this is the one which give an basic Python window where you can type something to check it out. The first program, say what it prints. See, the basic commands can be executed in this window from the Python shell. So this is the print hello world, and basically if you want to type a is equal to 10, b equal to 10. So you wanted to see a plus b 20, right? So you wanted to print a value, so it is printing, right? So this is the basic one which provides the Python. So it will use to write and execute a quick commands to check Python commands. This will be useful to execute it. Okay, then we can see that, and also we can try one more where we have Python all programs. One more Python is there, right? So here we have ideally, that is the one. We'll see what is this. So this is like a Python shell. So this is also the same which it is provide. Type the commands to see. It is printing a is equal to 10, b equal to 10, c is equal to a plus b, print c 20. So these are the things which is useful to write. The commands and programs can be executable by this Python shell. And we have one more thing where you can new file, we can create it, we can write. Same thing can be tried here. X is equal to 20, y is equal to 20, z is equal to x plus y. Then print z. File, save, any place, maybe desktop, py folder, first dot py. So you can save the file with .py. So Python's file like Java we have .java, C we have C, CPP, C++ we can use CPP like that. So save this file. Then there is option to run this file, run module. So this is printing 40. So basically if you wanted to print the variable inside this class, this is the where it is stored first.py. So this is also accessible here. If you print x, it will print 20. If you wanted to print y value, it also prints. You want to see the sum, so if you print z, it will print. So this is will be useful to write our programs like IDE. It will help to write basic commands to check it out, and also if you write any files, then those are also can be executable from here. So these tools are amazing. So we'll go and check it out. CMD. So, because we already added Python. So we'll see. And once you execute this command, what will happen? Yeah, it is also converted as a shell. So like when you install Python, we selected option called add to the python.exe to the system path. So the moment when you type the Python here, it is showing Python shell here. So same thing. Just try this option. Print the first hello or same a is equal to 25, b is equal to 25, c is equal to a plus b, print c 50. So this is the basic one. We downloaded the Python version 3.13.1 from the official website, from the Python website. Then we downloaded and we installed software, the Python. Then we selected customize option and selected Python to add to the console. system path. Then we used the option for Python shell, command prompt, and Python. So we executed the basic commands. So this is about Python installation, basic Python installation. Thank you.